Alright, so here's the user guide for this. Let's see. Probably want some how to code it. Overview and functions. So indicators. Red light represents incorrect entry. I probably should let you see what I'm reading, right? Incorrect entry. Unit clear button. Always press C button to cancel any type. Thing. Mechanical keyway override. Lock or unlock. Lock set by a valid key. Okay. Set button. Thumb turn. Battery cover. Okay. Battery cover. You got to squeeze those two side things and pull the cover off. Okay. So programming guide. Add user codes. Change master. Change master. We're gonna hold the set button in. So we're gonna press it. Press the set button. Enter the current master code. That's nice. What if you don't remember it? 10. New master code. Add a user. 20. I guess that's the second user. This doesn't appear to have ghosting. Maybe it does. Maybe it doesn't. Ghosting is where someone's behind you and you type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the thing unlocks. They now know your code. Where ghosting, you can do, if the number is 1 through 6, you can do 99965 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 965, and it'll open because all the numbers you typed, your actual number was in the middle of those. That's the ghost code or whatever it's called, masking or whatever. Okay, so set delete individual user 30. Okay, delete one or more codes at a time, include the user's code. That seems a bit difficult. You're gonna have to remember who's 30, who's 20. No, you have to enter the code. Huh. If you remember the code. What if you don't remember the code you handed out? That's a bit harsh. Delete all users. I guess you just have to go through and delete them all with the 40. Alright, let's see. Add single entry. There's single entry code. I guess that's one-time use. Only one successfully. Okay. Vacation mode is enabled in the current master code. Can unlock the lock, the stored single. Enable, disable the beeper. Turn on, turn off. That's what a 60 and a 10. Auto lock function. That's where it's going to lock after, what is it, 10 seconds? Okay. I guess you do the 80 and then 10 is 10 seconds. Delay lock function. And then where am I over here? Auto lock delay timer. There's that. 70. Okay. Restore factory settings. Alright, so that's how you're going to reset everything if you don't remember the master. Hold it in. Long beep, and then your code is defaulted to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, here you can write down your master code. And there you have it. Let's see what do we got for an installation guide. There's all our parts. That's what you're going to do. Dig. They're not giving you any. I'm not going all that slow with this. You can use this thing called pause. Okay, let's go to this one. You've got to be mindful of this wire that it doesn't get twisted onto the spinning part there. default. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lock to lock. Alright. Oh, here's your template. They do give you a template. I didn't think they did. Template. Let's see if there's one with it. There's a template on the other side. Yeah. There's your lifetime warranty. Shit. Limited lifetime mechanical and 1-year electronic warranty. Gee. Alright.